Oh, I'm sick. Good morning, day 3 Seattle vlog. Look at this. Did we or did we not come here to get away from the snow? But no, it snowed. Tomorrow it's supposed to be beautiful sunny though. So we're holding out hope for that. My cold sore has gotten worse. It's fucking disgusting. I know, I get it. And look at it. What? Why are you rolling your eyes at me? Why'd you roll your eyes? Ty's a grouch pants this morning. But that's okay. We're running late, so I gotta get ready. I finally did my nails. Don't mind the water, it is running because I'm gonna wash my face. But they are done. Finally. It's been a hot minute. So if anyone's curious, we are just about to leave, and we come out and it's a freaking snowstorm. So Ty is trying to scrape the ice, but we're fucking idiots. And when I was cleaning out the car, I was like, oh, we don't need this, we don't need the snow scraper. It's not gonna snow. We're in Washington. Now we don't have an ice scraper, and our car is literally ice. So I'm annoyed. Don't mind the car seat or the booster seat or the high chair in the back. Yeah, I'm annoyed. We're gonna continue to be positive and have a nice day. On the bright side, I got an eyebrow brush yesterday, so yeah.
Makes a big difference.
It does.
Don't even notice anything.
You're in a grumpy mood. We got McDonald's for breakfast. Anyways, we're on our way right now to my uncle's ceremony, which I probably won't vlog. Well, actually I might. I'll have you vlog and me take pictures. What?
Alright.
So yeah, right now we're on our way. It's still snowing out, but it's fine. I'm not letting you ruin my day or my trip. And I look good today.
7 miles. Take exit 104 to merge onto US 101
So, we're good. We made it to the sheriff's office, and we're getting really excited for the ceremony. And we got other news that his sister-in-law is getting induced either tonight or tomorrow morning. So we leave tomorrow night, so we're just hoping that the baby doesn't come until we get home. So we're crossing our fingers on that one. We're very, 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 very excited. And my baby fix can be fulfilled. Because I have very bad baby fever. We're back at the hotel. We finished with the ceremony and went to lunch. I didn't vlog any of it because I just wanted a couple minutes to just live in the moment. I'm really tired. That ceremony was awesome. I got to pin the badge of my dad, and I'm getting sick because Ty got me sick. So after lunch it is now after lunch. We are back at the hotel for now. We have dinner plans at 6. It is 2:55 right now, so we're just gonna rest for a little bit. I'm really tired, so I'm gonna take a nap, and then we'll see you when it's time to go to dinner. Change of plans. We are not getting our nap. Day 2.
Day 2 of not getting it.
Day 2 of not getting our freaking nap, because we are going to see family that just called me and said that they want to see me. So that's where we're going. So we don't get a freaking nap today. Whatever. At least it'll make it easier to sleep tonight. That's how I'm looking at it. Sorry I've been MIA. So we went to dinner. I'll probably okay.
That works.
So we went to dinner. I'll probably post some clips, just like little stuff that I got. I didn't really get that much. I tried, but we were just having too much fun. And then we are on our way back to the hotel, and Ty's like, I really want food. And I was like, okay, cool. I want Dairy Queen. And he's like, okay. We've been driving for the past hour. Dairy Queen's not supposed to close until 10. And we went to 2. We went to 2 Dairy Queens, driving from city to city, looking for them to be open. And apparently they close 30 minutes before what they say they do. So I saw a handy dandy Sherry's, and I said, you know what, let's just go get a piece of frickin' pie. And that's what we're doing.
Truck yeah, Farley.
Truck yeah, Farley, why don't you go and back off in your own backyard?
Yaayyyy, motherfucker.
Yeah. Alright, here we go. Day 3 is over for these kids. We're hitting the hay. We'll see you tomorrow. It's supposed to be very fun. Best day yet. Seattle adventure. Good night. See you in the AM.